Aloha mai kako. Now, I know my title sounds really complicated, but what I'm going to be talking about is really easy to understand. Plants are amazing. They wanted to tell you themselves, but they can't, so I have to tell you for them. Now, if I were to ask any of you in this room what it is you personally find so amazing about plants, some of you might say they're delicious. Others of you might say they're pretty to look at. And hopefully, some of you would say they save lives. Now, the reason plants are so tasty, pretty, and life-saving comes down to the chemical compounds they're capable of producing. Because unlike you and me, plants can't run away when they're hurt or threatened. They can't call the plant police and report that a snail's been assaulting them every night for a week. So they have to rely on more subtle yet incredibly sophisticated means of communication and defense, chemical compounds. Now, a large group of these chemical compounds are called phenolics, aromatic hydrocarbons like you see there, which are vital in a plant's ability to communicate and defend itself. Now, phenolics also function as a way of making a plant produce vibrant colors. They give plants characteristic flavors. And they also are capable of boosting our health when it's been compromised. One of the ways they do this is by producing compounds that prevent and repair cellular damage, antioxidants. And this concept is what I decided to base my project on, because there is a well-studied correlation between a higher total phenolic content and a greater total antioxidant capacity, which essentially means that the more phenolics you have, the greater the health benefits. Now, here in Hawaii, we have more endemic species than anywhere else in the world. And many of these are used in la'au lapa'au, traditional Hawaiian medicine. Yet the majority of these plants have never been analyzed in terms of their total phenolic content and their total antioxidant capacity. This isn't just an oversight that you see here in Hawaii. This is something that happens all over the world. As of March 2017, the World Health Organization lists of their 250 essential medicines, only 10% of those are comprised of plant-derived medicines. Now, 80% of the world's population relies on plants as their primary source of medicine. So this disparity highlights that we need to study and disseminate this information to the world, because obviously people are out there using these plants and getting medicines from them. As a Kanaka Maoli scientist, I feel that it is my kuleana to study these plants and communicate this information, because they can't do it themselves. Mahalo.